Network, and I'm here with Lori Bradner. And Lori, what do you like most about Sun and Fun?
Oh my gosh. Well, Nikki, it's nice to meet you, and thank you so much. I have to tell you, I've been with the Florida Aviation Network for 10 years, so I've been coming to Sun and Fun even longer than that. And my favorite thing about Sun and Fun is that you get to feel it. And I want you to know that there's nothing like being on that flight line when the warbirds and the jets and the Blue Angels, when they're coming across and overhead, Nick, not only can you hear it, you got to cover your ears. Not only can you see it, but you know what? You feel it in your chest.
Oh, absolutely.
And to me, that's the most exciting thing.
Definitely, definitely. I was out here the other day, and I could feel the F-22. It was just deep rattling in the bones, and it was very exciting.
Absolutely.
Lots of fun.
Absolutely. So, Nikki, let me just toss this back to you. What is your favorite part? I know that this is your first time really working with the Florida Aviation Network, and you're one of our young volunteers, possibly looking at becoming a host and working with us. But tell us about your experience. We're celebrating 49 years. What's your experience been?
So really, I like the planes flying. That's a great part. But also warbird country. That's one of my favorites. Just seeing the historic planes and everything. It's really fun and a great sight to see.
Yeah, absolutely, absolutely. And we have had great weather here, folks, so Nikki and I are doing this together. We have actually had great weather. I will tell you, we're not in the shade right now, so it's a little bit warm. But welcome to Florida. If you have not come out, it's not too late. We've got an air show. We're getting ready to close it out. But the Blue Angels will be flying today, so you can come out and see us. Again, where all good things have to come to an end.
Exactly.
Right? And so this is the last day of the 49th annual, but I want you to know, as Gene Conrad said, as they get ready to put this one in the box, guess what? Tomorrow starts. They're going to start preparing for the 50th anniversary. It's going to be bigger and better than what you've seen here this year, folks. So again, I'm Lori Bradner, and I'm with the Florida Aviation Network.
And I'm Nick Bradner with the Florida Aviation Network, and we hope to see you here next year.